speaking with Angela Heitzman, Compliance Analyst and President of the Women's Leadership Council ERG at Viterra. Angela, why was this workshop, Authentic Leadership Through Strengths Awareness, important to this council?
So I personally have always been an advocate for empowering women. And then that empowerment of women has carried over into empowering just those around me. People who have worked for me, people who have worked next to me, people who have worked, that I've reported to. And when you can give that kind of knowledge to someone of who they are and who they are not, I find that to be just so beneficial as a gift of that feedback. So when we started talking about what we wanted to do as part of our professional development plan for the year, this was something that kept coming up that we thought that the employees here around the country, across the globe, could use and take with them for the rest of the year. So we got right to work, and then here we were.
Angela, how does strengths awareness help you and the team become better teammates, better leaders?
So that definitely helps me just realize that I'm not missing the mark on who I am as a person, because I can see myself doing and saying things that just instinctively come to me. And now this is kind of a roadmap on those things are ingrained into me. It's a DNA, piece of myself that no matter where I go, I could give this to someone and say, here's how I'm going to help us get there with what you need done next.
Angela, would you share why your role as a leader of this council is so important to you?
This journey is a personal one. It really is. I have had wonderful women mentors who have opened windows, kicked down doors, and given me a path forward. And I have always said that I will do the same. I have a strong voice, and I'm willing to put myself out there in the middle of everyone, even if I'm the first and even if I'm the last. I want people to feel that comfortableness, that it's okay to be yourself and to go full force into what you believe in and just better yourself. So, and if I can help someone, find their stride, great, then I'm here to do that. And if they want to bounce an idea off of me too, I'm here for that too, so.